Hi guys, welcome back to Face from Heaven. We're gonna be doing this like survival fort video. It's fun.
Pretty much just two idiots walking around in the middle of the forest.
Yeah. That one's a major reach.
Camera person, who's not gonna be doing the camera because she doesn't want to.
She is a freaking moron.
Yeah. What's a moron?
Moron. A moron.
Oh.
Wow, you must be the moron.
Okay. Here, passing the camera off to this dude.
Hi.
Okay, so what do we do?
Go up there.
Actually, I'll be camera person.
Okay.
So.
Just wait. I'm gonna show you a bouncy zip line. Oh no, stay down.
Oh yeah, we made a zip line.
He's gonna hit you.
That didn't work. Whoa.
Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's why you gotta use the bamboo to get out. That's what I did backwards. Ow. I need the machete. Caden, it's your turn.
Where is it? Don't get the machete out. Don't.
Will she see?
No video. Come on, let's just go. Time for the actual walking part. Whoa! Whoa!
There he goes.
It's slippery and muddy.
Well, I tried to grab on to a piece of sand.
How are you guys climbing this?
I don't know. Because we have Nike shoes on. Pass off.
Side's muddy.
Okay. Which way are we going? Which way are we going? That way or this way? Caden, you might want to wipe off your hand. Wipe it off on that wood.
Okay, so we have no idea which way we're
right
going.
Here. On your hand.
Okay.
Should we go this way?
Let's go this way.
Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm wearing shorts. You need to get in your wearing shorts. I'm wearing like capris. Oh, just poked me. Silence fell over.
No idea how this dude's doing it. Why is the cameraman in the back?
Because you're supposed to, because you don't know where you're going.
True.
And just close his noses. Ow. Are we trapped? Here you go. No, Jason goes first. Because you have no idea where you're going. Then I go second.
Neither one of us know where we're going.
Jason does.
No, it doesn't.
I think I just put my hand on a slug. Anyway, just come back and hit me.
Whoa.
Jason, I don't think Caden can make it back down.
No, it's harder to climb up than it is to go down.
Going down, you can just move. Woo! Okay. Did Caden just go back or something? We're just going back down, aren't we? You're making it hard to see.
No, I'm not.
Hit in the face. I'm just trying to find trails to go down. Let's go to the playhouse.
Yeah, where is it?
That one. You don't know your way around, do you?
No, me and Jason somewhat do.
Ow, this brush. Wait, there's an actual playhouse down here?
Yeah.
Why? I don't even know how I got down here. There's tons of briars over there. I don't know how to go. Ow, briars got me. Wait, which ones are briars? These ones? Look, that playhouse. Yeah, these are briars. Here, pass off the camera. It'll be easier for me to get through. No, because you have shorts on. I don't. Oh, but there are briars.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
This isn't briars. You can just move them.
This is.
That's briars.
Ow, Caden, you sent me those.
That's briars right there.
Right there. What's there about briars? Oh, those are briars. Why did I just touch it? Hold that.
should have let me go first.
And that.
Why?
The briars don't hurt me. Yeah, but you don't know your way around very well.
Nah.
Yes, I do. I know my way just as well as Jason.
Yeah, that is true.
I don't even know how to get back down. Whoa, that's cold.
We know our way around pretty much the whole
What's
woods.
Hayden doing?
Trying to climb through.
Okay, this is stable. Whoa.
There's a trail down that way.
A
It's impossible to get through. That way.
It is. Wait, we're all on the same thing, but just on different sides. But the boys are higher because they won't fall sideways. Whoa!
All right, let's go on another nature walk.
No, wait, I'm behind Jason.
Well, I head back home. Why?
Because we've kind of explored everything.
Yeah, but
Nah.
then we can take another nature walk through the town.
Yeah, but we'll do that later.
Why?
Yeah, not right now. Too cold.
Okay. End the video. Don't just remember we need an outro.
Just let us get back to our. Let's just get. You don't. You'll never know what it is. Let us just get back to our fort first. This video is 6 minutes long.
What? How long?
6.
We need to make it go through like an hour.
Or if you'd be the camera girl, we could.
No, I need to fall in.
We're not. We're gonna be in the fort. We're gonna be building.
No, we're not building for an hour. I don't think anyone even wants to see that video.
What, building?
Yes.
Maybe.
Plus we need nails and...
Ow, Hayden.
You guys just give us ideas to do for videos in the comments. Hold this.
Wait, no, comments are disabled. I'm going to undisable.
Gotta pass it down whenever you're done.
Oh.
Okay, ready to end the video?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
See you in the next video. Bye.